Camila, maybe you will start. You will choose.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. Здесь надо выбрать, да, чтобы я выбрала, да?
Ооба, бирөөсүн тандашыңыздар керек ошондо. For example, I prefer sundresses. Жазында эмне кийгенди жакшы көрөсүз? Мисалы, sundresses or комбинезондорду, overalls. And in spring, you prefer picnics or BBQ, or what flowers do you prefer? Daisies or tulips? What do you prefer more? Bumblebees or birds?
Okay. In spring, I prefer to wear sundress because it's very comfortable. And so I will choose picnic with my friends or my relatives.
Yes, relatives.
My relatives. I choose daisy. It's very beautiful flower. And so I choose birds because always у меня аллергия от пчел. От укуса пчел. Allergic, да?
You're allergic for bees, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is interesting. Thank you for sharing. Next, maybe Adela, you want to choose between these things? Hello, Adela.
Hello. I sundress.
Sundresses.
And picnic. And
Daisies.
Birds.
Okay. So who else wants to talk about this? Өзүңүздөр тааныштырып, анан баштап берсеңиздер болот. Yes, of course, Gulkhair.
Hi guys, I'm Gulkhair. I choose overall, picnic, tulips, and birds because I like their sound.
Okay. Thank you. Tolkunbek, maybe you will choose.
Good evening, guys.
Hello, Altanay.
So, right now I want to choose for spring. I think I choose sundress and daisy, then
Daisy. Tulip.
Oh, okay. Tulip and picnic with my friends. And so birds, because I don't like bees,
bumblebee, or just bee.
Yes.
Okay.
And I think I can to choose overall because in the school region, spring is not hot.
Okay. Overall will be perfect choice for spring in the school, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Толкунбек, you may continue. Жооп бергиңиз келип жатабы?
Hello.
Okay.
One minute.
If I choose overall, and picnic, days, and birds.
Okay, thank you. It was very interesting. If someone else wants to answer, they may. You may open your microphone and answer. If there is no one, I can go to the next slide. Okay, Kunduz.
Hi. everyone. My name is Kunduz. I chose this overland.
Overall.
Overall, this comfortable and maybe barbecue with my friends and daisies and bumblebee.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Oruzbekovich, you may answer now.
Can I say?
Yes.
My name is Haidar. I want to choose overall and barbecue with my family and tulip and birds.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Gulnur and I would choose sundresses and barbecue my friends and tulip and bird.
Okay. Thank you. So, if you want to answer, you may answer now, and then we can go to the next questions. Жаңы кишилер кошулуптур. Бул жумада биз Talking Club'да пландарыбыз тууралуу сүйлөшөбүз. Жаз мезгилине коюлган жана биздин биринчи сурообуз. Let's go through. Okay, this one. What three things do you associate with spring? Деген суроо. Ага бул конструкция, бул сүйлөмдүн конструкциясын колдонуп, бул сөздөрдү колдонуп жооп берсеңиздер болот. So maybe, for example, I associate spring with rain, tulip, and blossom of flowers. Let's start with Sadat. Hello, Sadat. Introduce yourself, and then you may... Oh, Sadat жооп кетти. Okay. Aynazik, hello. Yes.
Hello. Hello, how are you feel today?
Thank you. I'm good. What about you?
Hey, I'm also. Okay, I associate spring with so many things. It's things like love. I don't know why, but I associate spring when I hear this time in year in my mind. I visualize in my mind. I visited love. I don't know why. And with tulip, maybe tulip. It's my favorite flowers. It's all spring my favorite time in year.
Okay. Thank you for sharing with us. Next, maybe.
Can I?
Yes.
I appreciate spring with butterflies. I like butterflies. When butterflies are soaring, it's so beautiful. And I associate spring with blossom of flowers. I also like when flowers are blooming. And I associate spring with gardening. People start gardening, cleaning, and all their garden is becomes green.
Okay. Yes, you are right. Thank you for sharing with us. Next.
You're welcome.
Who else wants to answer to this question?
So can I tell?
Yes.
So, spring is not my favorite time of year, but I can talk how I associate spring with butterflies and so blossom of flowers and the more time how I associate spring. I think this age of March, it's holiday.
Woman Day,
so,
right?
Yes.
Which season do you more if you don't like spring?
I don't know. I like more summer than spring.
Okay, me too. Thank you for sharing. Next, who else wants to answer?
Okay.
Yes, Kunduz?
Oh, thank you. I association spring with rain and blossom of flowers. Rain. I say rain. Okay. And yeah, this is
These two.
Yeah, butterflies.
And butterflies. Okay. Camila, maybe you want? Yes.
I associate
Yes.
associate spring with Nowruz. It's national holiday in Kyrgyzstan. So also I associate spring with rain because in spring rain the rain much rain.
In March, a lot of rain.
In spring, rain go often.
Ah, okay. Do you like rain?
Yes.
Rainy days?
Yes, it's so beautiful walking in the rain.
Okay. So, thank you, Camila. Who else wants to answer?
Can I?
Yes. Hello again.
Is my favorite time of year. I associate spring with Ramadan, warm weather, Nowruz, and end of school.
Oh, okay. So you like May more?
Can I?
Yes.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, thank you. I'm good. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. I associate spring with blossom of flowers and very rain. And spring is my favorite season. Spring is have many holidays. There are Nowruz and Valentine's Day.
So I think Valentine's Day is on February. It's like winter or not? Valentine's Day.
It's winter.
Valentine's Day is 14 февраль болгондуктан бул кышка кирип калат. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go on. I saw someone's microphone was on.
Can I?
Yes.
I associate spring with rain and some of flowers and butterflies.
Butterflies. Okay. Thank you, Gulnur. Maybe Gulmira Sultoyeva wants to answer to this question. Okay, maybe she's busy. Мақсат Бақтыбаева.
Кечиристер, мен азыр эле кирип эмне жөнүндө сөз болуп атканын билбей калдым. Жаз жөнүндөбү, балча айтса,
Саламатсызбы? Ооба, биз бүгүн Plans for Spring деген темада сүйлөшүп атканбыз. Жазгы пландар тууралуу. Анан азыр биз биринчи суроодо жүрөбүз. Кайсыл үч нерсе менен сиз жазды ассоциировать этесиз деген суроого. Бул сүйлөм, анан бул сөздөрдү колдонуп эметсеңиз болот, жооп берсеңиз болот. Башында өзүңүз тааныштырып койсоңуз болот. Менин атым Нурайым. Мен Talking клубтарды алып бараткан стажёрмун. So now it's your turn.
My name is Marsat. I am 19 years old. 19 years old.
19?
19. 39 years old.
Okay.
I live in Bishkek.
Okay. You may go to the
I associate spring with rain and the blossom of flowers and the gardening.
Gardening. Do you like gardening, Masad?
Yes, I like gardening. Before кандай болот? Азыркыга чейин эмеде айылда жашаганбыз. Before live in a village.
Унсеңиз болот. I used to live in village. Мурда жашаганмын деп. I used to live in village.
Used дедиңизби? Ушунда кандай угулбай калды?
I used to live мурда жашаганмын деп.
I used to live in village. We always посадили разные рассады и так далее, короче.
Okay, so we plant a lot of plants, десеңиз болот.
Да, plants, a lot of plants and the gardens. Да, эме бактарактарда.
Trees.
Okay.
Now you are living in flat, and do you miss all this stuff? Бул нерсенин баарын сагынасызбы? Сирада жашап.
I'm пока сагына элекмин, потому что because мы жакында эле көчүп келдик деп айтам.
Okay.
Пока
рахмат.
I don't miss болуп калабы, ушундай,
Ооба. I didn't miss. I haven't missed yet. So let me write it. Экран көрүнүп жатабы?
Yes.
I have not missed gardening yet десеңиз болот. Ондай сүйлөм жасаңыз болот. I haven't missed gardening yet. So, thank you for sharing, Masad. Next one. Жаңы кошулгандарга саламатсыздарбы баарыңыздарга. Бүгүн биз жазга коюлган пландар тууралуу сүйлөшүп жатабыз. Анан азыр биз жазды кайсыл үч нерсе менен жаз жөнүндө сүйлөгөндө кайсыл үч нерсени эстей турганыбыз тууралуу сүйлөшүп жатабыз. микрофонуңуздарды ачып эме берсеңиздер болот, жооп бере берсеңиздер болот. Менин атым Нурайым, тааныштырганды унутуп атам улам эле. Өзүңүздөрдү тааныштырып, анан кийин жооп берип баштасаңыздар болот.
May I?
Yes, Alperi.
Hello, everyone. My name is Alperi, and I associate spring with gardening, blossoming of flowers, and of course the picnic. Because I like the picnic with my friends, with my family, go to the nature and enjoy everything.
Okay, this is so nice. Your English is so good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's ask someone new. Сырға Онолбекова. Hello. Okay, maybe she's not free. Апал Эркинбай кызы. Окей. Анда келиңиздер, кийинки суроого өтө берейли. Каалоочулар болсо, мен сиздерге дагы бул слайдты ачып бере аламын. Next question is, do you have any plans for spring? Жазга карата пландарыңыз барбы? Кандай пландарыңыз бар? Мисалы, мынтип жооп берсеңиздер болот. This spring I am planning to go on picnic and read a book outside. It's like my plans for this spring. You may share with your plans. Let's start with Aynazik.
Okay, if I tell you about my plans for spring, this spring I'm planning nothing maybe, I don't know. In this since we live in the village, of the time spring, we have so many jobs, so many work for in outside, and so
a lot of work to do outside, right?
Yes.
Spring cleaning, right? You may say spring cleaning. Yes.
Spring cleaning. Yes.
You're planning
in March. We all know in March gets Ramadan month.
Yes.
So I'm planning to поститься, как бы.
Fast. So for this we have another slide about the Ramadan. Now, yes, I prepared this. So now we can talk about except March. There have April and May. Maybe on May you are planning to go on picnic.
No, I don't like picnics. Yes, I don't know why, but I don't like this.
With your classmates, you don't want to you will not go on a picnic? As I know, in school.
No, мы будем собираться, но только не на улице.
Okay. I see. Okay, thank you then, Aynazik. Let's go on. Maybe
Can I?
Who else?
Can I?
Yes, of course. I think okay.
So I agree with Aynazik. I think we can собраться.
We can. Can you tell your full sentence?
Я хотела сказать, что мы могли бы собраться вместе с одноклассниками, как она сказала.
Okay, we can Yeah, you may say meet, or you may say go out. Go out десеңиз болот. Ушул көрүп жарашат болуш керек. We can go out.
We can go out with classmates. So
Classmates. Where? Like to the karaoke or to the picnic.
We live in village. We don't have a karaoke or cafe.
Oh, really? Okay. You may do like at home, on the TV. Open the YouTube and do the karaoke. Home karaoke.
Yes.
This is kind of
we
idea.
can do it. So I think, and after Ramadan, we can training volleyball because I think all my not all, but the more part of all my classmates playing volleyball, and so
Almost all.
So
Почти дегенде almost all my classmates десеңиз болот.
Almost my
Go on, sorry.
classmates play volleyball. So in this April, we'll match.
Турнир. You may say турнир. Турнир эле болсо болот. Okay, let me check it. Match.
I know, but I forgot.
Yes, the same like match. You say like match. Yes.
It's so easy. So match with girls and boys. So it's mixed game.
It will be outside, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is so cool. Thank you for sharing this. I hope your team will win this match. So I saw Jika wants to answer.
Yeah, I want. I'm not special planning for spring, but I have to cleaning the garden, and we every spring we go on a picnic with my relatives. This our habits. And I don't like read a book outside. I prefer read a book inside.
So, about your tradition to go on a picnic with your relatives, where you usually go? Where do you usually go?
We go to summer. We go to the summer, and we go every different places.
Oh, so you are living in Talas, and then in like Talas'ın özünde yaşaysınız da, Trauer?
Yeah, no. I live in a village.
In a village next to Talas, right?
Yeah.
And it's like Susamur is like жақын болып қалады сізге. Near to you.
Yeah. Near the Susamur near.
This is so cool. This is so cool because last year I was in Susamur and I really like it.
Thanks.
Hope you will have good time.
Thank you.
Okay, I saw also Gulhayır was talk about her plans. Okay.
This spring, I'm planning to go on a picnic and spring cleaning, and I want to run a marathon, but I don't planning it.
Okay. Are you living in Bishkek?
No, I'm living in Istanbul.
Because I know that in spring there are a lot of running marathons in Bishkek. Like in school, do you have like this kind of marathons?
Yes, of course. In Cholpunata.
This is so cool. Are you running every day? Or like, are you running?
No, I don't running. I'm not running every day.
But you're planning.
Yes.
This is so cool. I was also going to run a marathon in autumn. I'm planning to the autumn, like not in spring. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have something else? Do you have something else to share?
No.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Ayperi. Okay. You may.
This spring, I'm planning to go on a picnic and read a book outside.
Okay. Thank you, Gulnur. What kind of book do you want to read? You don't know? Okay. That's okay. You may choose. What kind of books are you reading usually? Кандай китептарды окуйсуз мындай? Кандай китептери тандайсыз?
Мультфильм, жомокторду и
Fairy tales, жомоктор?
Yes, and
classical?
Yes, classical and
about psychology. Кырча айтерсеңиз болот, биз которуп оңой жерден ташабыз.
И про любовь.
About love.
Yes.
Okay. Are you reading like? Okay. Thank you. You too. Kunduz, maybe you want to answer.
Yes, of course. This spring, I'm planning to maybe picnic my friends. Go on picnic and reading a book outside. And spring cleaning my garden and the village.
Okay. Thank you. You too. Tolkunbek, maybe you want to answer.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
You listen me?
Yes. Бирок жакшы болбой жатат.
Эмич?
Yes, now it's okay.
This spring, I'm planning to work with tourists because we have бизге абдан көп келет туристтер.
Because there are a lot of tourists.
We have a
coming.
lot of tourists in spring. So тоого чыгуу алар менен.
You are going to hike with them,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. That's all.
So which mountain are you going to
We
hike?
have Lenin Peak.
Okay. I've heard about this.
Yes.
So you are working like a guide?
Кайталап коюш.
Are you working like a guide?
Yes. This year planning.
You are planning. Okay.
Yes.
So this is so good. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's go to the next question. Каалоочулар болсо кайталаймын. Бул слайдтарды ачып бере аламын. Микрофонуңуздарды кошуп, даяр болгондо сүйлөй берсеңиздер болот. I see Бермет wanna answer.
No, I may I?
Okay.
This spring, I am planning to cleaning the garden and, of course, go to the picnic with my family. And every day I book the inside the Muslim books. I live in the village. That's why in our village know the botanic garden.
There's
And
no botanical garden in your
yes,
village, right?
yes. And running a marathon, no.
Okay. Thank you. So let's go on. Next question is about Ramadan. As we all know, next month, first month of spring, we are going to fast. Англисче орозо кармаймын дегенде fast деп айтабыз. So question is, are you going to fast during Ramadan, and what plans do you have? And if you are not going to fast, I have another question to you, so you may answer to this another question. Let's start. Орозо айында сиздер орозо кармайсыздарбы жана кандай пландар бар ошолго? Эгерде сиздер орозо кармабасаңыздар, мен сиздер үчүн башка слайд даярдап койгом, башка жооптор менен. So you may choose. Let's start with, as I know someone. Camila, you may start. Microphone кушулган көрдүм. Биринчиден сөздөрдү.
I don't fast during.
This year you're not going to fast. Okay, I can open this slide. Биринчиден бул сүйлөмдөрдү окуп берип койсоңуз болот. Бардыгы угуш үчүн да кантип окулат экенин. If you want. Эгер кааласаңыз, могул сүйлөмдөрдү окуп койсоңуз болот. Башкалар дагы кантип окула турганын билип алыш
үчүн. If you are not fasting, family will help them out during the fast. Ramadan, I will help them with preparing meals for suhoor, iftar, giving charity, help with household chores, accompany them to prayers, provide emotional support.
Okay.
I'm not. I have daughter, little daughter. I have. But теперь слышно? Лутау?
Yeah. Now it's okay.
I am not fasting because I have little child.
Okay, let's continue with another one. Camila,
Can I answer her question?
Yes.
Okay. I have been holding a post. Yes.
Fasting. Yes. Fasting.
I have been holding a post for 3 years. I started when I was 12 years old, and now this week I'm already holding a post because I keep my last year's debts, and in my opinion, for me, it's easy to keep a post. I don't know, maybe it's also for me.
So I'm sorry for interrupting you, but we are not in English. We are not saying keep or hold a post. We are saying like just the one word. This is like this word fast. Oh my god! Let me. Fasting деп айтасыз да, ошондойчу?
Fasting. Я держу
Yes.
да? Oh,
Oh, wow.
okay. I'm
Okay,
fasting.
you may continue. Fasting.
So, it's easy to fasting for me. I'll try to
Fast это мындай бат деген сөз бар го англис тилиндечи? So, yeah. Бул жака белгилеп койдум. Fast.
Fast это держать пост.
Yes. This is...
Я слышала как fast. Okay. It's easy to keep fasting for me, and this year also, I think, and I hope we will arrange iftar with my friends or my classmates.
Okay, this is good.
Will be so good.
Yes, this is good. So, do you have any plans except this? If you want, you may read this. Бул сүйлөмдөрдү окусаңыз болот. Андан кийин башкаларда кандай угуп алганга.
Окуп?
Yes.
Okay. During Ramadan, I will repent more, eat healthy, be kind to myself and others, forgive and forget, learn names of Allah, recite Quran.
Yes. Are you planning to do something from this list?
Yes, I'm already started to learn names of Allah.
This is so nice. Okay, thank you. Who else?
Please.
Yes. Yes, you may. Gulnur, yes.
During Ramadan, I will repent more, eat healthy, and forget and forgive. And forget.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Жаңы кошулгандарга биз азыр март айында боло турган орозо боюнча сүйлөшүп жатабыз. Эгерде сиздер орозо кармайсыздарбы, кармабайсыздарбы деген темада. Кармабасаңыздар башка слайд бар биз үчүн бул жерде. So you may continue. Maybe we will continue with Gulkayr.
Yes, during Ramadan, I will repent more, be kind to myself and others, and eat healthy.
Okay. How many years are you fasting?
Second year.
Oh, this is your second year.
Yes.
Okay. This is so nice. Next, maybe Begimai, you want? Okay, maybe Begimai is busy. Ayperi Atamaliyeva. I saw that someone opened their microphone. The girl, I guess, with eye on the avatar. Аватарда көзү турган кызды жаңы микрофон ачты деп көрдүм. Кааласаңыз чөпүрсеңиз болот. I don't know your name because there is it's not written here. Okay, maybe she doesn't want to answer. Ayperi. Okay, Ayperi may be busy. Толкунбек.
Hello again.
Hi.
Бул жерде азыр мен кантип айтышым керек?
Ошондо are you going to fast?
I will going to fast during Ramadan болобу?
I will fast деп ойлойсуз болот. Или I am going to fast десеңиз болот. And during Ramadan I will деп тура бул суроолор during Ramadan I will деп тура бул суроолор сөздөрдү бул жака койсоңуз болот.
During Ramadan I will деппи?
Yes.
During Ramadan I will repent more and three consecutive year I fasting.
You are fasting 3 years, right?
For consecutive.
Ооба, ушундай болот. So,
That's
this
all.
is your 4th year? Бул сиздин 4-чү жылыңыз болот экен.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, this is nice.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you too. Let's go on with Sırga.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? My name is Nurayim, and we are talking about our plans for spring. And as you know, this spring, first month of the spring is Ramadan, and we are talking about plans for Ramadan. If you're fasting, you may answer to this question using this sentence.
During Ramadan, I will learn names of Allah. Speaking to myself and others.
So this is your, how many years are you fasting? Канча жыл болуп калды орозо курмаганыңызга? 2 years. Okay, this is so nice. Кааласаңыз бул жерде дагы 2 слайд бар, ошолорго дагы окуп жиберсеңиз болот. To practice your English, or if you want, of course. Okay. Maybe she doesn't want. Let's go on. Asila?
Yes, hello, Nuray.
Hello, Asila. You may introduce yourself and then answer to these questions.
I am Asılgül. I'm going to fast Ramadan. This year will be second year. Last year I kept only 15 days, around 15, 20. This year I will try the maximum again.
Okay. This is so nice.
Thank you.
What are you planning to do in Ramadan? During Ramadan?
During Ramadan? I'm trying to be kind always, not only in a Ramadan. More maybe recite Quran.
Recite?
Recite Quran, yeah.
Okay. This is so nice. Good luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I saw someone new join. Nurjan, Alina, Saikal, Aliyev. You may answer too. Микрофонуңузду жандырып, жооп бере берсеңиздер болот. Бүгүн биз жазга болгон пландар тууралуу сүйлөшүп жатабыз.
Hello, guys.
Hello, Saikal.
Hello. Can I answer this questions? Yes?
Yes. Would you like to start with first questions? Yes.
I will.
Кечириш жакшы болбой жатат.
And I will fasting this year, and this year will be my third year. Is right?
Yes, this is right. third year.
And during Ramadan, I will be kind to myself and others, and learning name of Allah, and have and others plans this Ramadan.
Have other plans, right? What kind of plans this is? If it's not secret, you may share with us.
I started reading namaz. Is right? Or will be
Yes.
reading or others?
So I think read is right. This is right.
And I started reading namaz, and
You are going to continue it.
Я не поняла.
Ушуну улантайын деп жатасыз. Деп сурадым.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good luck with it.
Bye.
Also, if you don't, I have another question for those who wanna talk more. Көрүктөрүңүздөр келсе, азыр дагы 5 мүнөттөй башка суроолорго жооп берсек болот. So, and we have little reminder for you, little spring reminder. Spring will come and life will get warmer. Жаз келип, жашоо жылуураак болуп баштайт. So, let's be positive and yes. If you want to say something, you may say about this reminder. You may screen it like анан кийин колдонсоңуздар болот. Жаз келип, жашоо жылуураак, жеңилирээк болуп баштайт. It kinda gives hope. And I have more questions about spring. Тандап арасынан бирөөсүн жооп берсеңиздер болот. Же экөөнү. Maybe someone wants to read these questions out loud. Бул суроолорду бирөө окугусу келсе болот, окусаңыздар болот. Башкаларда кандай окулуш керек экенин көрүш үчүн жана практикаңыздар үчүн.
May I read?
Yes.
More question about spring. What is your favorite spring activity? And the second, do you like spring rain? Why or why not? Do you celebrate any holidays in spring? What do you do? If you could visit any place in spring, where? And would you go? What clothes do you usually wear in spring? I'd like the spring rain because in running I go a walk.
Can you кайрадан айтасызбы? Жакшы болбой калды.
I like the spring rain because погулять жамгырда айланганчы go to the.
You like walking when it's raining.
Yeah, and all of the problem
So all of the problems like disappear. Жоголуп кетет дегендейби?
Yes.
Okay.
That's all.
And do you, if you could visit any place in spring, where would you go? Кайсыл жерге баргыңыз келмегеле? Жазында кайсыл жерде чет жакка, мүмкүн Кыргызстандын ичинен башка жерде бара ала турган болсоңуз, кайсыл жерге бармак элеңиз?
go to the end and Singapore if I have a chance. Chance болгондо. Singapore and Tashkent.
Singapore and Tashkent.
Yes.
Why do you want to visit this place?
In Singapore, there the people very адамдар кандай маданияттуу friendship.
Yeah, friendly,
and the city very clean, taptaza,
very clean.
Very clean.
Okay.
And the rich by
Rich country.
Rich country.
Okay, I see. Okay, thank you for sharing this. Maybe another one, also another person. Nurjan, maybe you want to answer. Oh, I see Gulkayır. Your microphone is open.
Yes.
You may choose one question and then, yeah.
I can answer all the questions.
Okay, you may answer to all the questions.
Yes. What's your favorite spring activity? My favorite spring activity is Ramadan and Nowruz.
Oh, so spring activity is something like, what do you like to do in spring? Like, as we talked, go on a picnic, hiking, maybe running, something like this.
Okay. I like go to the picnic and walking.
Walking, okay.
Yeah. Do you like spring rain? Yes, I like spring rain because it's very wonderful and comfortable.
So do you prefer stay out, go on a walking when it's raining, or you like to be at home and like to watch movie or to watch TV show with in a warm blanket? Like, үйдө болгонду жакшы көрөсүзбү же? Okay.
I prefer be at home and watching
movie. Okay. Do you celebrate any holidays in spring?
Yes, of course. I celebrate Nowruz.
What do you do in Nowruz?
I meet with my relatives and spend this time together.
This is so nice.
Yeah.
Are you doing сүмөлөк on Nowruz with your relatives or not?
Yes, of course.
Like you are cooking it all together?
No.
Just okay. I see. Then, if you could visit any place in spring, where would you go?
I prefer go to the Japan and Naren.
Oh, why Naren?
Because there I have relatives there.
Okay. And why Japan?
They are very beautiful in spring.
Yeah, I also wanna like visit Japan because of the like cherry blossom.
Yeah.
I was like reading the article about this, and there was a special word for like just watching for those people who just watch how it's like blossom. It was hanami. They have special words for this. It's like when people go to the picnic under the cherry tree. It was interesting, so I was just sharing it. The last question,
Yeah.
what clothes do you usually wear in spring?
I start wearing light clothes to school and skirts.
Okay. So, if you want to, эгерде кааласаңыздар, азыр жооп берсеңиздер болот суроолорго. Анткени биздин убакыт уже кетип баратат. Микрофондорду ачып жооп берсеңиздер болот. Эгер каалоочулар жок болсо, анда эфирди бүтүрөйлү.
Should I?
Yes, may I десеңиз болот сураганда. Yes, yes. Assalamu.
What is your favorite spring activity? I like to work in a garden. I am relaxing and cleaning and жер чапканды кантип айтат англисче?
So, аларда атайын сөз жок болуш керек, бирок gardening деп эле койсоңуз болот го дейт.
Gardening.
Let's
Love gardening.
Let's try word. Earthquake болбой калат точно. Grounding. Let's check grounding. Earthquake точно болбойт, анткени earthquake деген бул жер титирөө дегенди болот. Жер титирөө дегенди болот. Grounding бул менин оюнча бул жерди мындай бир нерсеге даярдоо да. Өстүрүүнүн астында даярдоо дегенди билдирет. Grounding.
Grounding.
Yes, you may say grounding, like prepare ground, or you may say prepare ground for my plants.
Yes, exactly. Prefer for plants, for flowers.
For flowers, right? Okay. Second question.
I don't like spring rain. I like summer rain. Summer rain is a little bit warmer than spring rain.
Okay, this is interesting.
Do you celebrate any holiday spring? Not exactly. I'm not celebrating long time holidays. Any holidays.
Okay.
Because in some where I'm living, no any celebrating days.
Where are you living?
I'm living in Europe. We don't have any celebration day.
Okay. So, if you could visit any place in spring, where would you go?
Yes, I want to be to Belgium. In May there is tulipan months. I want
Tulip?
Tulipans, yeah. In spring.
Okay.
So I visited there.
Okay, this is interesting. I also heard about Netherlands.
Yeah, in the Netherlands. Sorry, not in Belgium, in Netherlands.
Okay, I also want to visit this place too. I've heard they are they're planting the flowers every year, in different ways.
Yes, also in a park, anywhere in a street, tulipans, or everywhere you can meet that tulipan is looking very nice.
Okay, what clothes do you usually wear in spring?
Something lighter. I don't care. Coat.
In the beginning, coat, and then in a ending, we are going to the light. Yes.
Little bit jacket. Sometimes coat.
Okay, thank you. Асыла. Then let's go on. Эгер кааласаңыздар, микрофонду ачып жооп берсеңиздер болот.
Can I say?
Yes. Толкунбек, yes.
I ask only 2 questions.
You wanna answer?
First and second.
Okay.
First question, what's your favorite spring activity? My favorite spring activity to climbing the mountain. And second question, do you like spring rain? I don't like spring because it really exhausts me. Жүктөө.
Okay.
Because your clothes are wet.
Okay. You don't like rain because your clothes become wet.
Yes.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, thank you. Maybe you will try to answer to another 3 question.
I?
Yes.
Төртүнчү суроо кандай болуп калат?
If you could go visit any place in spring, эгерде жазында башка жерге кыдыра ала турган болсоңуз, кайсыл жерди тандамак элеңиз?
Мамлекетпи?
Мамлекет болот же, билбейм, кырсан ичинен же мамлекет башка чет жакка.
If I visit any place in spring, maybe I will go to Kelkul, maybe. Kelkul. Do you know?
Okay. I think I've heard.
Yeah, very interesting for me. Interesting for me.
This place is interesting for you.
Yes.
I see.
That's all.
Okay, thank you. I will check this place. So, чоң рахмат барыңыздарга. Сабакка катышып бергениңиздер үчүн. Эмки жумада көрүшкөнчө барыңыздарды күтөмүн аябай. So, bye bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. See you. Bye.
See you.
Bye bye.